Okay, so I'll show you a new way to have a profile on the Chroma Workshop play on a website, which means you have to convert the Chroma profile over to a Chroma SDK compatible animation. Okay, so I just went and picked this day and night Unreal Hero download here, and I'll be using the web version of the Chroma editor. In this case, I also need Synapse to play the effects, so I've imported it, and this is the one that I want to have on a website. The next trick is I need to share my desktop as a web camera. To do that, there's the popular OBS tool. Okay, so within OBS, under Sources, you add a source for display capture. This will let you specify a display that you want to capture for screen recording. And over here, you can start and stop the virtual camera, and that will pipe this display to a virtual camera, which you can use in the web version of Chroma Editor. So with this started, we're good there. And when you load the page, if you go into your camera settings and manage that, here's where you can select your different cameras. So you'll want to use the OBS virtual camera. Okay, and as long as you use an HTTPS, that camera screen recording will come right in. Okay, so now the next step, if you click on the recording canvas, you can drag around and place what you want to record. You can just stick it on the top. And also, this window is resizable, so you can place it, click again, and then it will be docked. There we go, docked. That looks good. And within Synapse, you can scroll and get the position right where you need it. As large as possible, that way you can capture all the amazing colors. Okay. Now for capturing, we'll need a keyboard, so you can turn on your keyboard. And the same thing again. You can resize the keyboard, and you want to place it and align it with the Synapse keyboard. Now there's a checkbox down here, debug lines. And if we reduce the opacity, there we go, you can make sure that everything lines up. Alright, once your placement looks good, just turn off the debug lines and you're ready to start capturing. Just name your effect, and this will be day and night. Day and night. Okay. And for frame cap 0, so you'll just hit the start button, wait until it's done, and manually hit the stop button. And then you'll start capturing. And that's it. Alright, so we'll just wait for it to loop, and we want to stop it at the same time we started it. So there's the night cycle, day cycle. Alright, let it go. There's the night cycle, and back to day again. Alright, so that was 87 frames. It's capturing 30 frames a second. And now we can click the download button. Okay, and there you go. You get a zip file with all the animations that you recorded, and it'll have the keyboard animation in there, and it's playable from a website. You can also record all these other devices at the same time. Just like the keyboard, just place them where you want to record, and they will capture for those devices. Alright, and that's it. That's how you go from a Chroma Studio profile over to a Chroma animation that will play on a website. And thanks for watching.